You coloring? Color your picture.
Blue.
It's a blue. No. Color this.
Yay.
Can you color this cookie?
Draw that guy. Draw.
Oh.
Keep going. Get a marker. Get some marker. Get some marker on there. Use one of those. Use this one. Use that one. This one. There you go. Alright, spin it around. Do it again.
Wow, Brooklyn.
Good job.